Oh, hey, it's me, Jacs. And it's been a little bit since I last recorded. Just a little bit. And I'm trying to figure out... Oh, excuse me. Well, I'm trying to figure out... I'm trying to decide if I want to do a quest or some sub-stories. I think in the end I'm going to do some sub-stories first. First I'll hit up the... management business first.
Oi! Omae!
Had a couple things happen recently. One, let's see.
儲かったな。
Let me get more places in. Yep.
いい店になったな。
Yes.
ランクアップ。いい店になったな。
Alright, let's begin.
ジャリンジャリン稼ぐぜ。
Well, what happened yesterday is two things I thought about. Yesterday I went to get a tool bag from the local Lowe's because my brother told me he got one for about. He told me he got a tool bag. Is that? This guy's trespassing.
おい！そこのお前！強そうやな。
後悔するなよ。
Damn, they give up. Bunch of cash.
俺が 悪かった。
But I went to the local Lowe's to get a tool bag because my brother was telling me about how he got a tool bag for $300 with like 9 assorted tools online, like not online, at the local Lowe's. I thought, oh shit, I want to go do that because that's a steal. And when I got there, they didn't have it, unfortunately. They didn't have it anymore. So that bummed me out.
ありがとう。
So I was like, okay, maybe I can just find it online. I looked it up online. I found it on Amazon for about $3.50, $50 more than usual. I was like, and I thought, okay, makes sense. It's a bit more. You know, I'm not getting it in person. I'm ordering it online. So I went ahead and I went to order it, and it bumped, and that was without shipping. With shipping, it bumped up to like $400. Fuck. I don't spend that much money. That's like half my paycheck I just got, and I don't know if anything's gonna happen.
いらっしゃいませ。
Free smile? Can I have a free smile? Here it comes.
いらっしゃいませ。
Huh. And God damn, I can't do that. And I looked on Amazon and they have a payment plan. I was like, oh cool, I can do a payment plan. So I get I looked at payment plan. It's like pay $20 for over 18 months to get this done. I was like, okay. I went and applied it. I did all that. And when I applied for it, they said, no, fuck you. You're too poor. You can't apply for this payment plan for a $450 tool bag with the sword tools. go eat a dick. And that really rubbed me the wrong way, you know? It's just $20 over like 18 months for $450 tool bag. Maybe people are pretty shitty. I don't know, but it really annoyed me that I couldn't even apply for that.
ありがとうございました
I mean, I applied for that but was denied. It's not like I'm applying for a fucking car. I have a payment plan for my phone, right? I mean, granted, I guess with phone people they know exactly all my information, but so does Amazon. They have all my account details. That annoyed me. But after that, I went home. I was like, whatever. Got my stuff. Bought some clothes. Yeah. Bought some work clothes for work, some food. And when I got home, after a while, I was just chilling out. My cat was just sitting on my dresser. And I was like, do-do-do-do-do. Then my cat fell off my dresser. Like, oh shit. She just slipped. Oh well. And I turned around and looked at my head, and she's not getting up. Uh-oh. What's wrong? And I go over to her. And she had a seizure.
ちょっと下がら
So she had a seizure, right? It's not the first time she's ever had a seizure either. She had that one. She had one last time in June. And that one really scared me. This one, because like it happened right around the time that my first two cats got ran over and survived, and I was really frustrated. And I was really scared. Eventually I chalked it up to her, like, because I just sprayed a lot of fly spray, and I thought I saw her licking some plates, and I did put them up in the sink after spraying fly spray. Well, yeah. She got up in the sink, licked them, because the plates were next to the sink, and I hadn't done the dishes in a minute. So, and this time, I really don't know what she could have gone into to cause her to, like, have a seizure like that. I hope it's not. I really hope it's not something that's going to happen, like, often. Shit. I'll read this off. What am I going to do? I don't want to do anything with the criminal underworld, but I finally got promotion to manage the place all on my own. Oh. Excuse me, sir. Are you talking to me? Yes. I'm sorry to spring this on you, but are you for hire? I need someone discreet. Let me show you to my place. Sorry. I'm not interested in any hanky-panky with you. What? No. That's not what I meant. I swear. I need protection. You can provide it, no? Protection or not, I do not. I'm not doing it with you. Wait, what? Oh, I get it. Sorry, but I'm not with Yakuza. What? Ooh. You're not? I'm very sorry. I had the wrong idea. You have this intimidating aura, see, so I just assumed. Anyway, why do you need protection? I'm the manager of this restaurant. We're about to add another line of business on the side, and I thought I'd better arrange protection with the local boss. Usually businesses negotiate with that shit. Usually businesses negotiate that with one of the local families. There's no one boss for Kamurocho who'd protect you. And with all the land getting bought up in this area, almost all the tenants are gone. No Yakuza family will want to offer you protection. Oh, I'm in bigger trouble than I realized. You seem to know a lot about these things. Would you mind giving me some advice? I can't really discuss it in public. Could we step inside the restaurant? Sorry, I'm busy. Sorry, I'm busy right now. That's too bad. I'd really appreciate if you would come back whenever you have time. I'll still be here. Yeah, I will. But yeah, she just had a seizure right there, and I was really. She fell off my bed and not my bed, my dresser, and then hopped up onto my second dresser, and I was really surprised. I was like, what? And the thing about seizures, they also you don't want to touch them whenever they're having a seizure because they end up biting you or scratching you or clawing you. And she ended up peeing all over the place, and I felt really bad for her. So I'm hoping this isn't something that's going to be chronic or happen often for her. Because having to deal with a cat that has seizures, another one who has needs to have his bladder manually expressed, it'd be a lot. I'll do it, but it's a lot. Oh yeah. So I need to go to Osa. I'll go ahead and go to Osa.
Whoa!
Call her again. People walk on that Osa.
その顔が気に食わね
なんなんだ。
That was slow. Oh well. Oh wow, I'm just running through this business, huh? So this is how I get in here. Interesting.
よう桐生君よう桐生君準備よければカムロ町を出るぜ蒼天堀に向かうもうやり残したことはねえか
ああ、大丈夫だ。
そうかよしそれじゃあ入ってくれ中で社長が待ってる
お待ちしてました桐生さんあなたが蒼天堀に行く前に殻の一坪の持ち主についてお話ししておこうと思いましてね
ああ、
その人物は今うちと協力関係にあるとある組織にかくまわれています
協力関係にある組織。
その組織については後で小田さんから説明してもらいますただどちらにしろ大阪は近江連合のお膝元長い時間かくまえるものじゃありませんですから殻の一坪の所有者を 我々がいかに目立たないよう蒼天堀から連れ出せるかが鍵になります。それもできるだけ早く。
なるほど。それを俺と小田がやるんだな。
ええ。この役はやはりあなた方にしか任せられません。桐生さん、あなたは殻の一坪にどんな価値があるのかと聞きましたね。
ああ、あんたはそれについちゃ企業秘密だと言っていた。
ええ。ですが桐生さんには近いうちにお話できると思います。あなたが生きて蒼天堀から帰ってこられたら、そのためにも無事にカムロ町に帰ってきてください、桐生さん。
分かった。それで殻の一坪の持ち主はどういうやつなんだ？
若い女性です。ただどうも目が不自由とのことでほぼ失明しています。
え？
その殻の一坪の所有者は牧村誠という人物です。
Well, that's a bomb to drop.
裏社会の複数勢力から標的とされる牧村誠。彼女が狙われる理由を探る真島は、誠の面倒を見てきた中国人の針師リーに見込まれる。リーはかつて大陸系組織に雇われる殺し屋でもあった。誠を守ろうとする2人の前に現れた男、近江連合基人会会長西谷誉。関西を牛耳る近江連合内部で西谷、佐川という2つの勢力がそれぞれ誠を奪い合っていた。徐々に誠をめぐる勢力図が見えてくる中、真島は密かにかくまっていた誠の存在を佐川に気づかれてしまう。しかし最後に誠を手にしたのは、突如深い闇から現れた白いスーツの男だった。
誰やお前。
いってや！ちっくしょう。真島ちゃんさ、忠告したよね。殺しなんてやらずに済むならその方がいいってさ。でも真島ちゃんは仕事を引き受けた。俺本気で島野の兄弟になしつけてお前を登場界に戻してやる気だったんだよ。だけどお前は牧村誠を殺せなかった。まあまあまあ、100歩譲ってそういうこともあるかもな。俺もガキの頃足の折れた文鳥を拾って帰ってきたことがあるんだ。 おふくろに内緒で必死に育ててさ。確か名前は豆太郎だったかな。動物なんか興味もなかったくせに毎日餌やったりして可愛かったな。だが親に嘘ついたのがまずかった。ある日家に帰ったら飼い猫の餌にされてたよ。生きたまま猫に食われる豆太郎を見て俺は思い知ったね。子は親に逆らえないってな。
ガキのくせに律儀なやっちゃ。
律儀ね。まあ確かに俺は素直でいい子だったよ。親の前ではな。次の日その猫を殺してやったよ。お前のことは必ず殺すよ。でもその前にあの牧村誠を盗んでいった泥棒猫を始末しねえとな。あの泥棒猫、蒼天堀じゃ見ない顔だったな。もしかして真島ちゃんの古いお友達？
知らんわ、あんなやつ。なんでどいつもこいつもあの女のことを狙っとんのや。あいつは売春の元締めなんかしとらん。あないな小娘に一体何の価値があんのや。
知りたい。教えたくても教えらんないな。俺だって知らねえんだからよ。
はあ？
真島を使って牧村誠という人間を殺せってそれだけだからな。俺が兄弟から聞いてる話は。
兄弟？そしたら女殺せっちゅうのは島野の親父からの命令なんか？
そう。だからこそお前を登場界に戻してやれるチャンスなんだよ。
なんで親父は俺にやらせようとしたんや。
さあな。それは俺にもわかんねえ。とにかく白スーツの男、本当に心当たりないんだな。
ああ。せやけど気になることはある。奴は女を奪って生きよったが殺そうとしてるようには見えへんかった。それは西谷も同じや。
ちょっと待て。西谷ってグランドで暴れた鬼人会のか？
西谷はあの時別の死体を用意した代わりに牧村誠を渡せ言うてきた。あの子を殺すつもりやったらそないめんどくさいことはせんやろ。
西谷が別の死体を用意。おかしいな。初耳だな。まあ西谷と白いスーツの男が同じ目的ってことは分かった。ってことは奴ら来るかもしれないな。
あり得る話や。
どっかで拾ってきた野良を泥棒猫に仕立てたってわけか。確かに西谷らしい手口だな。そうなりゃ西谷を叩いて女の居所を吐かせたいとこだが、札にしょっぴかれて今頃留置所か。
いや西谷やなくても組員もいろいろ知っとる風やった。
お前は何も分かっとらん。あの女の価値を。
はあ。そしたら組員からたどれ。鬼人会の事務所は蒼天堀通り東の第三並木ビルってのに入ってる。確か3階だったはずだ。
分かった。
真島ちゃんさ、西谷のこと以外に俺に隠し事ないよね。
あらへん。
はあ。もしも何か隠し事してたら
殺す言いたいんやろ。
分かってきたね、真島ちゃん。